guys, it's me Nali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't uploading that much, but today I'm going to Museo del Ferrocarril. I know it's a very hard word to say for American people and English speakers because it's ferrocarril and it means like the railway, the trains are like this. So it just called the Museum of the Trains, and we're going there right now, and then maybe we're going to Madrid Rio. If you remember it from all the videos that I have on my channel, I have 2 videos there, and we're going to it today too, and to the museum. So watch the video until the end to see everything because it's gonna be super cool. It have ancient trains and old cars, and it's gonna be super cool. Let's go. We came and look, it's closed because now it's 5 p.m. and it will close at 3 p.m. so it's closed, so we can't enter. Look, it's locked. It's locked. We can't. That's it. This time it was closed, but I promise that next time if we came and it was opened, I will film it to you. And I don't know why I forgot to look at the time when the museum will be opened. I just thought that it will be opened until 7 p.m. I don't know why it's closed, but whatever. Right now we're in the Madrid Rio. We came here because the museum is closed, as I told you, and here you can just walk or do some sports. So my brother, he has a football ball, a ball to play football, so we're gonna play with him a little bit. Whenever I'm wearing these sandals, I don't know if I'm able to play, but whatever, I'll try. And then maybe we're gonna just sit on the grass and have fun and just enjoy a little picnic on a Sunday. All about today's video. I forgot to continue filming, but we had so much fun. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below if you want to visit Madrid one day. Maybe I will give you some places.
Suscríbete.
Gracias. And he said subscribe, but in Spanish. Whatever. So guys, see you soon next video, and love you so much. Bye bye.